Hey guys, it's Charlie here, and in today's video, I'll be doing a full review about Northwest Registered Agent. We'll focus on their LLC formation service, but Northwest, they do pretty much everything. They do all business entity formation services. They have a registered agent service, which is really popular. They can file a bunch of different things for your business and so on. But overall, I'm a huge fan of Northwest. I've used it multiple times to start my own businesses. In terms of feedback, I have nothing but good things to say about it. That's why I believe it's one of the best business formation services you can possibly use. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Northwest does, all the pros and cons, and whether or not it's the right service for you. And one last thing before we start, we actually have an exclusive deal with them. You guys can form your LLC for just $39, and that link is going to be down below. If you guys do use that link, it will help support our channel, keep free videos like this possible. So I do want to say thank you guys so much in advance. They have been in the game for a long time. They are one of the OG business formation services, and it's an extremely trustworthy and reliable company. As you guys can see, they can basically do everything to help you start a business, including forming your LLC, setting up a corporation, getting your EIN, mail forwarding and scanning, virtual office. They can also help you maintain your business with a registered agent, all the compliance stuff, BOI, which is new for 2024. And yeah, really they are exceptional at everything. However, their bread and butter is definitely the business entity formation as well as the registered agent service. Now let's talk about some of the pros of Northwest. The first thing I really like about them is that they are very good at privacy. So they basically do everything they can to keep your information off the internet, which is amazing. Like I said earlier, they're extremely trustworthy. They've been in the business for a long time. They never sell your data. They have extremely good pricing, and their customer support is fantastic. Every time that I personally have filed with Northwest, everything has gone extremely smoothly. Their interface is very easy to use. Their dashboard is great as well. And even the process of setting up your LLC is extremely fast. They basically walk you through all the different steps so that there really is no way you guys can mess up. And trust me guys, when you are starting an LLC, compliance is extremely key. It's not something you want to mess up on. That's why I tell every person that asks me, Charlie, how should I start an LLC? How should I start an S Corp or a C Corporation? I always tell them, just use a service like Northwest. You really are doing yourself a huge disservice if you try and do it yourself, because you probably will mess up. Now, in terms of some of the cons, there really are not that many, but the only thing I'll say is that the base package for Northwest, $39, it is more expensive than some other companies that do have $0 base packages, but I do think that you do get what you pay for. There are definitely some things included in Northwest package that are not included in others packages. I really like that Northwest allows you to choose what options you want to add to your formation service. There are a lot of formation services out there that, charge a big base price, but include a lot of different things. But the thing is, a lot of people, they don't need all those different things. Some of the things like getting your EIN number, it's very easy to do. Of course, you can pay Northwest, I think $50 to do that for you, or you can do it yourself and it should take under 10-20 minutes. Northwest registered agent service is also really good. It's probably one of the best that's available. It's usually $125 per year, which I do recommend using. But if you actually form your LLC with them, they include the service for free for the first year. So it's definitely a net positive. Now, I do want to emphasize the importance of privacy when it comes to creating your LLC or business entity. And like we mentioned earlier, Northwest is really good at this. So they basically keep your address off all public records. Essentially what they do is they use their own business address instead of yours on all these documents. And that just creates this huge safety barrier that I think everyone should have. They also allow you to select your processing times. So if you aren't in a huge rush, you can definitely save money on some of those state fees while still giving you the option of paying more money to the state if you want it rushed. But yeah, these are fees that you do have to pay anyways. They don't go to Northwest, they go to the state. So overall, I really recommend Northwest. I think it's one of the best options out there. If you're looking for a registered agent service, highly recommend them. If you're trying to form a new business entity, I recommend them even more because it does come with that free registered agent service, which is a $125 value for the first year. Again, if you guys use our link down below, you'll get access to that $39 basic package. For most of you watching this video, that is going to be good enough. And going through the steps, it's very easy. They basically guide you through everything, and it makes creating a business entity super easy. That's why I'm such a big fan of them. I think everyone should get into entrepreneurship, and they make doing that very easy and affordable. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys got some good information about Northwest Registered Agent. We talked about the pros, we talked about the cons, but overall, I think it is a great platform. They're super reliable, and I have no problem recommending Northwest to anyone that asks me for advice. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys got some value from the video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. The whole point of this channel is to give you guys free videos helping you to start and grow your business. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.